Las Vegas is phasing out resorts with themes, but Luxor still checks that box. So if you're looking for a budget hotel on the Las Vegas Strip with a theme, then this video is a must watch. There are 4 large pools at Luxor, totaling 19,000 square feet of pool space, but the deck itself is 125,000 square feet, making it one of the largest in Las Vegas. And that means there's plenty of room for lounge chairs, and there are plenty of lounge chairs. However, the ones that are free don't come with any shade. Sunny, and it's going to be hard for you to find shade anywhere in the free lounge chair. So you'll want to rent a cabana or a daybed if you really need to have that shade. Now, if you are getting hungry or thirsty here, there are 2 bars and there is a snack bar as well. Or if you want to just get some water, we did see some water stations around. You can refill your water bottle, or they actually had plastic cups for you to use as well. Now, this whole pool area still carries the Luxor theme, so even though it has been modernized a bit, you're going to see hints of the whole pyramid and Egyptian theme around.
Near the pool, you'll find the spa and fitness center. I took a peek at the fitness center. There were plenty of machines for cardio overlooking the pool, and they had a whole separate section with all of the weightlifting machines that you might want, and of course a hydration station.
Luxor is located on the south side of the Strip, sandwiched in between Mandalay Bay and Excalibur. You can take this interior walkway and it takes you right to Mandalay Bay. And as you're walking through, you're gonna go through the shops at Mandalay Bay, so there's additional options for restaurants and shopping. Or you can take the walkway on the other side to Excalibur. Or you can hop on the free tram that takes you between Mandalay Bay, Luxor, and Excalibur. A few of the places that you might want to try inside of the shops at Mandalay Bay are Slice of Vegas, which is a pizza place. There's also Rira Irish Pub and Husong Cantina, a Mexican restaurant. When we checked in, we learned that we had been automatically upgraded to a 1-bedroom tower suite. This is in the Gold Tower, and it overlooks the pools, but not only that, this is the closest tower to the entrance to the pool. So if you are a pool person, you want to make sure that you're staying in the Gold Tower. So let's go ahead and have a look around this room.
The 1-bedroom tower suite comes in at 780 square feet. And as you can see here, you have a living room and a dining room that is separated by a door that leads into a bedroom. Now, I will say that the furniture in here, the fixtures, they're a little dated, but I do like having the extra space to sprawl out. And the bedroom area itself is large enough with a nice big king bed, plenty of room to get around in there, and additional seating as well. Heading into the bathroom, this is larger than what you would find in a regular tower room. However, all of the aesthetic is the same. The gold fixtures, the tile, everything looks the same. They also have the separated tub, which I like. What I don't like about this room is that the closet is inside of the bathroom and the safe is on top. And I'm 5'0". I cannot reach that safe.
We've also stayed in the pyramid rooms and a regular room in the tower. So let's take a look at both of those rooms.
The tower rooms are 450 square feet. It has a modern feel to it. I do like the color scheme in there with the little pops of color like these green chairs here. The beds are comfortable, and I find that throughout the Luxor that the mattresses are comfortable. There's a nice desk area. Rather than having a full closet, you have this little armoire. Now, they do have the safe tucked away here, but easy for me to reach, so I do like that. The bathroom itself has a nice separate tub. It's not the biggest bathroom, but it's a decent size. If you're very tall, you're probably not going to like the low shower head in here, and the water pressure is not the greatest. And the last room on our tour is a Pyramid Premier King. These are 420 square feet, and they have been doing some work to remodel these rooms recently. Clearly, the one unique thing you're going to have in this room is having that angled wall because, well, you're in a pyramid. So again, you don't have a closet, you have the armoire. The beds, again, are comfortable. The bathroom's where this really lacks. The bathroom is very outdated. However, from what I understand, they have been remodeling these bathrooms.
If you want more information on whether you should stay in the pyramid or the tower, we have a whole video dedicated to that, so be sure to check that out here. Luxor has a large casino area with the table games sort of concentrated in one area and the slot machines just all around them. Now they do have a Centra bar that's right in the middle of the casino, and in the evenings they have a live DJ playing and it makes it really lively. You can hear the music throughout the casino. Behind these blue curtains is Tender Steakhouse, the one high-end restaurant at Luxor. They are under renovation, but they are still open. But we'll be sure to pop in an older clip so you can get a look at it. Now, let's check out the other restaurants that are available here at Luxor.
The Luxor buffet is not our favorite, but you can sometimes get a buy one, get one on My Vegas, and it does look really cool. We do have a full video, which I'll link above. Diablo's Cantina is a Mexican restaurant. Be sure to get a margarita, and the chips and salsa are great. And Public House is an American food restaurant. Think ribs, burgers, salads. Backstage Deli's open 24/7, so if you're looking to get some comfort food in the middle of the night, this is where you're gonna come. They have an extensive food court up on the atrium level, and you're gonna be able to find a wide variety of food options for you there. And you do have 3 Starbucks at Luxor. Well, let's take a look at the Pyramid Cafe.
We came out to the Pyramid Cafe for breakfast. Now this is only open for breakfast and lunch. It closes at 2 p.m. and it has sort of that theme going around, you know, the Egyptian theme here as well. It's one of the last couple of restaurants here that carry that Egyptian theme. Now we have eaten here for breakfast before, and they have actually a really good breakfast burrito. But what I would suggest you do is that you order the sauce on the side. It's a really good burrito, but with the sauce on top of it, it's really hard to eat. One of the cool things that they have here at the Pyramid Cafe is they have a stack of pancakes shaped in a pyramid. So the pancakes on the bottom are larger, and then they get smaller as they go up, creating this pyramid. I was not about to eat that. I'm gonna dig into my burrito. Luxor has a lot to offer by way of entertainment. So first, starting with the shows, they have comedian Carrot Top, the Blue Man Group, and they also have a striptease show called Fantasy. Now, the newer show that they have here is called Particle Inc. So it's an immersive show where you're kind of walking through rooms, you're not sitting down, and it's sort of like you're in this graphic novel, and they have acrobats and different things going on in these rooms. But also you can enter that, instead of going to the show, you can just go during the daytime and walk through the rooms and get that same experience without the performances going on. So a few other attractions that they have here is that they have the Titanic exhibition and Bodies the exhibition. And newer to Luxor, they have Playground, which is for adults only. You have to be 21 or older, but you go in, they have a bar, and it's sort of like this big adult playground, if you will. There are no nightclubs at Luxor. They do have bars scattered throughout the hotel, but a couple of the lively ones that I want to talk about are Aurora. That's right off of the lobby, and they have live music playing at night, so people are in there having a good time. And also in the middle of the casino, you have the Centra bar. Now they will have a DJ playing at night, and people are dancing, and you can hear the music throughout the casino.
For the gamers here, you have HyperX Arena. This is 30,000 square feet. It's a multi-level arena. They actually do have a competition stage, but you can come and pay $15 an hour and just play games yourself. You also might see the Velvet Room in the middle of the casino. It used to be a nightclub, and now it's for rent for private events.
What do you think about Luxor? Do you still like themed hotels? Drop a comment and let us know. Now, I did mention that Luxor is sandwiched in between Mandalay Bay and Excalibur. And speaking of Excalibur, we just reviewed that property, so be sure to check out that video here. It's another themed hotel on a budget, or you might just want to check out this video.